Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are continuing with our chapter linear equations in one variable. Today we will discuss about the application of linear equations in word problems. Now finding a solution of a word problems involves three steps. The first step, forming an equation. Whatever the statement is given to you, we have to form an equation according to that statement. The second step, solving an equation, which we have already discussed in our worksheet 1, and the third step is interpreting an equation, means to whatever the solution of an equation, to check whether that is right or wrong. Now the following step should be taken care while solving a word problem. The first step, read the statement carefully. Read carefully the statement and what is given to you and what is required. If this thing is clear to you, only then you will be able to form an equation. The second set, always use unknown quantity by X, A, B, C, Y, any alphabet, small letter of alphabet, etc. It's your wish. Any variable you can use. Translate the statement of a given word problem step by step into mathematical statement, means to form an equation. You have given a word problem, you have to form in a mathematical equation. The next, use the given conditions in the problem, formulate an equation. And to simplify, means the steps which you have discussed, how to take the variable on one side and how to take the constant on another side and solve the equation to find the value or the solution of equation. Always solve the equation for unknown which you have taken. Solve the equation for unknown variable which you have taken to form that equation. These all steps you have to take care about solving a linear equation. Now the first statement problem, adding 4 to twice a number. Which number? We don't know. Yields means give result 25 by 6. You have to find the number. So the first step, let the unknown quantity, let the number be X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. It's your wish. You can take any variable. Now we have to form A, T, Q according to question. The second step, to form an equation. Adding 4 to twice a number. You have taken that number Bx and the twice of that number is 2x. Adding 4 means when you add 4 to twice of that number, yields means give result 25 by 6. Now we have formed an equation. The next is simplification of linear equation, which you have done already. To take the constant on other side of the equation, this will become 4 by 1, and this includes the subtraction of fraction. So we have to take the LCM, 25, 6 ones are 6 fours are 24. 2x is equal to 1 by 6 and x is equal to 1 by 6. This 2 will go for division. It is 1 by 12. Now you have taken the value of x is 1 by 12. And now how to check, interpret it? Just put down this value in this equation. 2x plus 4. The value of 2 into 1 by 12 plus 4. 2 6 are 12. 1 by 6 plus 4 by 1. We have to take the LCM. The LCM of 6 and 1 is 6. 6 divided by 6, 1 multiplied by 1. 6 divided by 6 multiplied by 4, 24. And the value is 25 by 6. This is just an optional which you want to, if you want to check the value of the solution that x is correct, you can do it. Otherwise it is not necessary to show in the question. Now the next question, a number when multiplied by 4 exceed itself by 45. Now read the statement carefully. If you want to read it once, twice, thrice, read it carefully. Understand what is given, what is required. Please understand carefully. A number when multiplied by 4. The number is not known to us. Let the number, the first step, take that unknown variable as x, y, z, a, b, c. It's your wish. The second steps involve to form an equation. A number when multiplied by 4. You have taken that number x. And when you are going to multiply with this number by 4, that exceed itself, that number exceed itself, it means the value of that number will be equal to exceed itself by 45. That number will increase itself by 45. That number is x and it exceed itself. The value of x will exceed means you are going to add 45 to that number and equality will generate. Again, a number when multiplied by 4, 4x, that value is equal to the value of the number x exceed 45 means plus 45. Now 4x, this x has to be shifted in LHS. 4x minus 1x, 3x is equal to 45 and x is equal to 45 by 3, that is 50. Now the next question is, the sum of two numbers is 72. The numbers are not given to us, but a relation that if one number is 6 more than the other, the value of one number is 6 more than the other number. If you let the first number be x, we have to assume the first number be x, and now the second number is 6 more than this number, so automatically you can write the second number will be x plus 6. Now ATQ, what is given to us? That sum of these two numbers is 72, x and x plus 6. The sum of these two numbers is 72, x plus x, 2x, and the 6 has to be shifted to RHS, minus 6. 2x is equal to 66, x is equal to 66 by 2, 33. We have taken out the first number. The first number is 33 and the second number 33 plus 6, that is 39. So home assignment for today, do question number 1 to 7, worksheet 2, chapter 7.